Hey guys, welcome back to this lecture, generating false positive alarm to validate our alerting flow. So in this lecture, we will intentionally generate an alarm and we will see whether we are getting the alert for that or not. Okay. So let us quickly start with the demo. So I'm currently in my Linux machine where my container is running. Let us quickly have a look on it. So both my containers are running now. So the very first thing I need to do is I need to create an alert configuration file or say alert rule file which will be used by Prometheus process to evaluate the alerting, right? Or the alert rules. So let us just quickly create an alert rule file here. I can give it any name. So I'm just taking this as a custom name. Here I'll use a sample alarm. Okay, and the alarm I'll be using is for Prometheus target missing. I'll just bring it quickly here. You can see this alarm will evaluate whether a particular target is up or not. If it is down, then it will send an alert. It sends an alert. Okay, I will reduce the time here from 1 minute to 0 minute so that I quickly get the alarm once a target goes down. Okay, we have created the alert rule here now. Now it's time we update the Prometheus YAML file so that Prometheus can take this rule file. Okay, so let us quickly update the rule files here, and here I'll give the name which I've created, alert.rule.yaml. Okay, now it's time I instruct Prometheus to use my alert manager for the alerting. Okay, because here in the target you can see my alert manager is commented here, the endpoint is commented here. So now it's time we enable it as well. But now we cannot use the alert manager name here because my containers are running in an isolated fashion. So the local host or they will not be able to resolve this name, right? Because my host name is different for my container. So what I will do in our demo, I will use the container IP here to resolve the container address. So let us quickly get the IP of alert manager here. I'll inspect it. I will paste it here and then I will grab IP. Okay, this is the IP of my container. Let me quickly copy it. And let me again go back to prometheus.yaml file, and in the endpoint, target endpoint, I will specify this. Okay, great. So I will just save this file here, and now it's time we restart the Prometheus container so that it can fix the configuration. Okay, so let us quickly restart the container here, docker restart, and then the container ID. Okay, let me see if my container is up now. Okay, it is up. Let us quickly go to Prometheus console, and the console is up. Let us go to alert section here. Okay, let me go to configuration here. Okay, seems like I've given it the wrong name. This was a spelling mistake. Let me just quickly correct it. Okay, I'll quickly save it and again restart it. Okay, my container should be up now. Let us again go to Prometheus here. Let us go to alert. Here we can see. So it is able to identify the alert rule YAML file here. Okay. Now it is showing this is the one alarm that is set up. Now let it evaluate the metric data that is coming. Okay. So let this rule run over the metric data and let's see what it shows us. So currently it is saying there are zero targets missing. Let us go to our targets in the Prometheus. Okay, so it is down, so it is supposed to be identified by the Prometheus. So let us again quickly jump to alerts. Let's see if it has identified. So we can see it here. It is showing me one active alert here because this particular evaluation or this expression evaluation has matched one of the target, that is Prometheus 1. Okay, so this has triggered an alert and pushed this alert to alert manager. Let me quickly go to alert manager here. Okay, so here I can see the alert manager. And here I can see this alert that is being pushed to alert manager. Now it's time we check our alert or the email address which we have set up to receive the email. So let us go to email. Okay, that's great. That was really fast. I can see my email has pumped into my inbox. Okay, so this is the alert that has been triggered by Prometheus, and I've received the notification for that. Okay, so now we are able to validate our alerting flow. So it looks fine. Now, in the next lecture, we will take a step forward and we'll learn other aspects of Prometheus. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.